The electric car. Tesla, we're delving deep into Tesla's massive investment in a Mexican Gigafactory, exploring the truly chilling implications of this decision and uncovering why Mexico is the company's next strategic move. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets behind Tesla's grand plan in Mexico. Pioneer is embarking on a bold journey that is drawing attention and raising eyebrows. But here's the kicker. The real reason behind this move might just send shivers down your spine. The relevant variables and the reasons why they are causing uncertainty in the sector. But in the meanwhile, if you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Okay, let's get going. The investment needed to build Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico is significantly more than previously stated. New Leon over the next 2 years, Tesla and its suppliers plan to invest a staggering $15 billion in the Gigafactory, according to Governor Samuel Garcia. This amount is 3 times higher than what Mexican officials had first projected. Musk-Elon earlier this year, Tesla's CEO declared the company's plans to build a Gigafactory in northern Nuevo Leon in order to increase its global presence. Musk did not reveal the precise investment amount at the time, but Mexican officials said it would be in the neighborhood of $5 billion. However, Governor Samuel Garcia's recent revelation suggests that Tesla and its partners have committed far more money. Although this large infusion of capital is anticipated to stimulate the local economy and generate a large number of employment opportunities, it will also require higher spending on public works and highway projects in order to accommodate the expansion. Although Tesla has not officially announced when construction and vehicle production at the Gigafactory will begin, it is believed that the company plans to start producing electric vehicles in Mexico by 2025. This is consistent with Tesla's continuous attempts to increase production capacity and satisfy the rising demand for electric cars. According to Walter Isaacson's recently published biography of Elon Musk, the company has decided to move the initial production of the next-generation electric vehicle to its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. This change is primarily driven by logistical considerations, as engineers prefer to work at the production site to ensure the success of the new vehicle. Initially, it was speculated that Tesla's $25,000 electric car and its ambitious robotaxi project would be built on a new generation platform at the Gigafactory in Mexico. This choice highlights how important Tesla's Texas Gigafactory is becoming as a focus for the company's future electric vehicle production, whereas legacy automakers like BMW, Ford, and General Motors have also declared intentions to increase EV production in Mexico. Tesla has demonstrated its strong commitment to the Mexican market and its ambitions for sustained global growth in the electric vehicle industry by its significant investment in the region. The potential impact of Tesla's growth in Mexico on the automobile industry's overall shift towards electric propulsion and sustainable transportation solutions cannot be overlooked. Yes, it's interesting to see how Tesla aims to grow, particularly in terms of gigafactories. Currently, Tesla has 3 gigafactories in the US, the largest of which is located in Nevada. These facilities are essential to the company's ability to satisfy the growing demand for electric vehicles and are the reason behind its manufacturing capacity. It is true that Tesla made a big decision when it decided to construct a Gigafactory in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. This upcoming Gigafactory is expected to be the biggest yet, even bigger than Giga, Texas. The reason for this is that it will serve as the main location for the production of Tesla's next-generation vehicle platform, which is a game-changer for the company as it will give birth to the much-awaited Model 2, also known as the 25 Tesla. Elon Musk is confident that this affordable car will outsell all other Tesla models combined. Thus, the development and manufacture of this vehicle at Giga Mexico will be a success. Celebrate the company's accomplishment in supporting this audacious endeavor. Although the factory itself may not appear much larger than Giga, Texas, Tesla has secured a mammoth 200-acre tract of land for the facility, marking its largest footprint to date. Typically, Tesla uses the neighboring property for manufacturing of battery cells and other auxiliary support facilities. Production of drive units and generation of power in order to localize its supply chain, reduce the need for imports, and ensure a smoother production process. Tesla is consolidating its infrastructure in one location. However, it's important to note that Giga Mexico's progress may not be as rapid as that of previous Gigafactories, like Giga Shanghai, because Tesla is introducing a completely new manufacturing system with the next generation platform that emphasizes automation and efficiency. The objective is to optimize the production process from the beginning, even if it requires additional time. Mexico was chosen as the location for Giga Mexico for strategic reasons, not merely because labor is more affordable there than in China. At Giga Mexico, Tesla wants to establish a self-sufficient manufacturing environment. As Tesla continues to grow its global footprint and invest in cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, this will help the company fulfill its mission of revolutionizing the automotive industry by localizing production and increasing access to electric vehicles globally. It also reduces reliance on imported components and streamlines the production process. The company's dedication to its long-term goals of electric mobility and sustainable transportation is evident. Giga Mexico is a step closer to Tesla's goal of creating an electric vehicle that is more widely available and cheap for the general public. It is another step towards achieving this ambition. One of the main components of Tesla's Mexican plan is the use of its Gigafactory to produce the next generation vehicle platform, which will serve as the foundation for Tesla's first economy car, frequently referred to as the 25 or Model 2 inches Tesla. Elon Musk has stated that this car might sell more than all other Tesla models combined, which would be a significant turning point for the business. The choice to manufacture this new platform at Giga Mexico further emphasizes how important this is. Although early drawings may not show a factory that is noticeably larger than Giga, Texas, Tesla has obtained substantial land for the factory totaling a whopping 4,200 acres. Given Tesla's history with Gigafactories, it is likely that the adjacent area will be used for ancillary support infrastructure, such as the production of battery cells. Production of drive units and generation of power. Tesla is able to consolidate all of its production infrastructure into one site thanks to this strategy, which lowers dependence on imports from far-off places like Nevada. For this new platform, Tesla is launching a highly automated and effective production process that will allow the front, rear, and sides of the car to be constructed independently and simultaneously before being assembled as a whole. In contrast to Giga Shanghai's production pace, which was accelerated by leveraging existing knowledge from Fremont, this innovative technique, paired with the introduction of a new car type, demands rigorous planning and execution. For Tesla, Giga Mexico is a fresh start that calls for meticulous adjustment of the production procedure. In addition to the presumed availability of inexpensive labor, Mexico presents a number of strategic advantages for Tesla's growth. The goal of Tesla's concentration on automating and optimizing production processes is to achieve higher output per unit of labor, which in the case of Giga Mexico makes human labor more affordable. Although labor prices in Mexico are unquestionably lower than in the United States, labor costs are not the only factor in the selection. The low cost of labor isn't the only factor driving Tesla's desire to enter Mexico. Although labor costs are a factor, Tesla's focus is on optimizing its manufacturing to maximize productivity. Additionally, the Mexican market serves as a crucial focal point for Tesla's next significant strategy. With Tesla at the forefront of automation and manufacturing, the company aims to create highly efficient production processes that make the most of human labor. It's crucial to remember that Giga Mexico will operate as a center for international exports, while producing cars mainly for the Mexican market. Although the new vehicle platform may not be the preferred option for the typical American consumer, this strategic approach is in line with Tesla's understanding of diverse consumer preferences worldwide. In many regions of the world, compact cars are highly desirable due to space constraints and narrow roads. Mexico's vast network of free trade agreements with 50 different countries, compared to the United States' merely 20 free trade agreements, is another strategic advantage it offers. This makes Mexico a desirable site for businesses such as Tesla, who can reach a large target market for their cars without having to deal with import duties. Additionally, Tesla's decision to invest in Mexico is in line with a larger trend known as nearshoring, which emerged in response to disruptions in the global supply chain, such as trade tensions between the United States and China and the difficulties posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Nearshoring involves locating manufacturing facilities as close as possible to consumer markets, thereby mitigating issues related to global shipping routes, crowded ports, and supply chain vulnerabilities. These advantages further strengthen the economic case for expanding into Mexico. The state of Nuevo Leon, where Giga Mexico is located, is already a booming center for manufacturing. The capital city of Monterrey, which houses the world's most prestigious institution, the Monterrey Institute of Technology, and tall skyscrapers, is home to impressive infrastructure. Not only has Tesla shown interest in this area, but other businesses have as well, particularly Chinese enterprises that have established production plants close to Tesla's Gigafactory. The entry of Tesla into Mexico marks a dramatic change in the company's global operations. It involves more than just finding inexpensive labor. It also involves streamlining manufacturing procedures, focusing on a variety of markets, and leveraging Mexico's strategic advantages. Tesla wants to develop a highly automated, inventive, and efficient manufacturing method. The next-generation vehicle platform will allow car components to be constructed separately and simultaneously, greatly cutting down on assembly time. By using this strategy, Tesla is able to guarantee high-quality production and maybe save labor expenditures. Although larger vehicles may predominate in some places, Tesla's emphasis on creating vehicles that are tailored to regional preferences shows its grasp of the heterogeneous structure of the global automotive market. Small cars are quite popular in places with constrained roadways since they are made in Mexico. Tesla wants to enter global markets. Mexico's wide range of free trade agreements gives Tesla a major competitive edge. They not only make exporting affordable, but also solidify Tesla's standing as a major participant in the global electric vehicle market. The Mexican market's nearshoring strategy is a component of a larger trend that aims to strengthen supply chains by lowering reliance on far-off production sites and international shipping lanes. Contrary to popular belief, Tesla is more adept at navigating possible disruptions. Increasing Mexican manufacturing can help the U.S. economy. A greater market for American-made parts and materials is created by more products being assembled in Mexico. As Tesla continues to innovate and establish its global presence, it is well positioned for further growth and disruption in the automotive industry. The company's investment in Giga is one way that it fosters economic interdependence. Tesla's battery packs and cars are partially manufactured in Mexico using battery-grade lithium processed in Texas. Mexico is a leader in the future of mobility, not simply in auto manufacturing. Check back soon for additional developments, and don't forget to like additionally for the most recent insights and analysis. Subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Presently, how do you feel about Tesla's approach of building small cars for niche markets? What potential effects might Tesla's nearshoring strategy have on the robustness of its supply chain, and does the location of Giga Mexico fit with Tesla's long-term objectives? We'd be interested in hearing your opinions on these queries. And remember to hit the notification button, like the video if you thought it was educational, and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for additional updates. Bell to remain informed about everything Tesla. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Overseas Music.